Today I will show you how to use the Apple TV. So we begin by pressing the power. As the TV is going to start, you're going to wait until it turns on, and then you're going to take the big remote control and press on source. Once you do that, you're going to see a bunch of sources come up, and you choose HDMI 1. When you're on there, there are going to be a lot of different apps, and you are going to choose the Apple TV by pressing right here, and then there are some apps that you have to pay for, like films, and there are some that you don't. And that's how you use Apple TV.